Good afternoon. My name is Oscar Quiroga. I am presenting the video GI5. Uh, I am today demanding works, environment, and employees. Greatest asset is their well-being. We often treat health and productivity as separate topics, but they are deeply interviewed. Fact: healthy employees are more engaged, take fewer sick days, and exhibit higher levels and focus of creativity. Goal: to show how prioritizing good nutrition, cycle activity, and exercise directly translates into measurable benefits for the individuals and the company's bottom line. Good nutrition. Our diet is the fuel for our brain and body, where the directly impacts our energy levels, mood, and cognitive functions. A. Productivity and cognitive benefits: stable energy levels. Consuming complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and instead of sugary snacks, prevent the afternoon sugar crash. This ensures sustained energy and considerates performance throughout the day. B. Actionable workplace nutrition tips: encourage the consumption of water for optimal hydration. Dehydration causes fatigue. Promote snacks, nuts, seeds, fruits, and yogurts. Of, Offer access to healthy lunch options or meal prepared programs. Movement, cycle activity and exercise. Sitting is the new smoking. Long periods of sedentary behavior and the decks are detrimental to bone cycle and mental health. Integrated movement is a crucial. A. Productivity and cycle benefits: increased blood flow. Even a 10-minute walk, lying, stretching can increase blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and leading to a quick boost in our alert and problem-solving ability. B. Actionable workplace activity tips: implement standing desks or walking meeting policies. Encourage micro breaks, short periods of stretching every hour. Offer a gym membership or on-site fitness class. Uh, Thanks.